Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. Alright, so today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called the Basket Showdown. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. But before we get started, I do want to give a huge shout out to my good friend Jim. He actually inspired me to create this game. I'll drop his link down below to his YouTube channel. Alright, so the items that you're going to need for this activity are going to be a box. And with that box, you're going to have at least one of these flaps open. I got one sheet. I have some sticks. Again, this is going to be modified. If you guys have some chairs that go up high, prop it up, that's great. Some paper ball. I'm going to do the 4 steps for shooting. Feet shoulder width apart, you're going to bend your knees, place your elbow up, and you're going to go ahead and flick your wrist and shoot it. If you notice that the good thing about the sheet is actually brings the ball right back down and then it puts it right here in front of you. Alright, so students are going to have 1 minute to try to make as many shots as they can. Every shot they make in is worth 2 points. 3, 2, 1, go. It's 2, it's 4, 6, oh, it just missed. 8, missed. Oh, missed again. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, Kobe, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, oh, just missed. 42, 44, oh, missed. 46. All right, so 46 points for me. Jordan's up next. 2, 1, go. Oh, that's 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Oh, he's utilizing that bank. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. Can he get me? 38, 40, 42, 44, 46. And time. Alright, so we just finished round 1 and every shot was worth 2 points. Now that's going to continue except at the last 10 seconds, every shot made is going to be worth 3 points. 3, 2, 1, go. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, use that big shot, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52.
No, you didn't make that.
Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed. Oh, last one for 3. Oh, 53 points at the buzzer. Jordan's up next. 3, 2, 1, go. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 10 seconds left, 53, 56, 50, 59, 62 points. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Basket Showdown. Please don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and comment.
And again, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot, because we like to see how you guys modified this game and how you adapted it to meet your students' needs. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.